Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I use the ILUVSARAHI Through My Eyes collaboration with ColourPop. So excited. I created this beautiful look and I started off with the shade Sandalwood. Then I jumped into the shade Divina and I really blended that shade in the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm sort of creating a V shape. Then I went back in with sandalwood and I buffed everything out after I finished doing the shade Divina. But as you guys can see, blending is key to this look. So I blend, and then I used a fluffier brush. A little fluffier brush to blend everything out. I can't talk, girls. I can't talk. Then I went in with the shade Nostalgia and I'm applying that right next to the shade Divina. And I'm leaving some space for the shade Mesmer-Eyes and I am applying that glitter right there. And then I went in the shade with Black Track from MAC. And I did a very thin liner, nothing crazy. I went in with my lashes from Bomb Cosmetics in the shade Calabasas. And I am doing the same shades I used on the top of my eyes and my lower lashes, except the glitter. Then I apply some Sephora black eyeliner just to, make it a little intense. I use my Fenty 300 shade. Their foundation is bomb, you guys. Then I decided to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer to contour in the shade Deep Golden. And this was my first time contouring and I really liked it. So you guys should try it. And I am using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 310 to brighten my under eyes, my forehead, and every other area that I want to brighten up a little bit and conceal. And then I'm using the setting powder from Fenty Beauty in the shade Banana. I actually changed my shade 2 times. I went from honey to cashew to banana now. But I think banana is better. And I also contoured with the KKW powder in the shade Medium 2. I really like that powder as well, just to to darken it up a little bit. And then I dust off the setting powder in the shade Banana from Fenty. I really don't like baking with it. I feel like it I don't know, it dries up my skin really quickly. And after I do that, I use the Too Faced 12-Hour Long Wear blush. I think it's in the shade Rose. I really like it. It's really light and soft. I spray some setting spray from Urban Decay and then I apply my Fenty Hustla Baby highlighter. I am obsessed with it, you guys. Like, it's really nice. You can go so light with it and more intense with it and it just makes your face look so beautiful and like blinged out. Then I go in with the two ColourPop and ILUVSARAHI collaboration lipsticks. I use the lipstick Sueño de Coco and I use the gloss. It doesn't really have a name, but I really liked it. Like, every gloss that she comes out with, I just love. Like, it's super nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Mwah.